10 years ago, Casio introduced the world's first laser and LED projectors, and we continue to create revolutionary educational products for schools across the globe. Casio is redefining the classroom of the future with a focus on providing teachers with the support they need, and we've done our homework. Chromebooks are the device of choice in K-12 classrooms, and after interviewing teachers and IT managers at over 40,000 schools that utilize projectors for easier, more efficient teaching styles, we have stepped up to the challenge with our educational solutions. Click, connect, collaborate. Clicking on the one-click connection icon creates a wireless connection with a projector and initiates projection. No cable connection required, no wireless setting required, no input content switching required. Up to 40 Chromebooks can be seamlessly connected to a Casio LampFree projector, and up to 4 Chromebooks can be displayed simultaneously, which engages students and transforms the classroom into a place for interactive and dynamic learning. Using the moderator function, a teacher can easily select any student's Chromebook and project onto the screen from their tablet or phone anywhere in the room. With PC Remote, the device on the teacher's desk can be controlled remotely from the teacher's smartphone or tablet. When the bell rings, pressing the Stop button on the C Connection app removes the projected image from the screen while maintaining the network connection status. One-click connection is all it takes to start the next class immediately. Casio LampFree projectors have an impressive lifespan of up to 20,000 hours. In school environments, that's over 15 years without ever having to change a lamp. Having a Casio LampFree projector means less maintenance worries with no lamps to replace, no filters to replace, less downtime, and lower labor costs. When you add up the original purchase price, the cost of replacement lamps, replacement filters, labor costs, and higher energy usage, Casio LampFree projectors can save you hundreds of dollars over their lifetime, which is a significant savings for schools with projectors in every classroom. Plus, select Casio LampFree projectors are covered by one of the industry's best warranties for up to 5 years or 10,000 hours on the light source. This industry-leading warranty makes our already low total cost of ownership even better. We are encouraging educators and IT managers to take a fresh look at their classroom technology. Now is the perfect time to evaluate Casio LampFree projectors. Have one of our LampFree specialists meet with you at your school and see for yourself how Casio is the leading projector for all your education solutions. Request an evaluation sample or an on-site demo